Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Every time many people and my subscriber ask me, how can I tell if my Budgies is male or female? So I am going to make a basic video on it. Let's get started. If you just got a Budgies, you may want to determine its sex. In this video, learn which color signify a male or female Budgies. You can also watch your Budgies' behavior or listen to it to determine the sex. If you are still having trouble, remember you can always consult your veterinarian or the breeder that sold you the Budgies. Now the bird I am holding in my hand is a male bird. At first find the Budgies cere. The cere is a fleshy covering which is located directly above its beak. Locally we say it's Budgies nose. Whatever you say. Most male Budgies have a light or royal blue cere. Sometimes the variant color can appear purple-blue. This color will lighten when the Budgie is not in the breeding mood. In this picture we can see male Budgies in the breeding mood and male Budgies not in the breeding mood. Now how to identify a female Budgies? Now the bird I am holding in my hand is a female bird. A female adult Budgies cere is usually a white or purple blue. As she becomes more fertile and ready to produce eggs, the cere will become a darker tan or brownish in color. If the Budgie is fertile and ready to breed, you may also notice the cere thicken and become crusty. In this picture we see this female Budgies not in the breeding mood. In this way you can easily tell your Budgie is a male or female. Hope you have been benefited by my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Budgies Heart. Stay tuned. Thank you.